Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to begin a new playthrough in Cairn. In the main menu, simply select the story setting. Then you will be taken to a new playthrough selection. Of course, if you have a playthrough already started, you can create a new playthrough. Then select the difficulty. Explorer is of course the easiest one. Survival is easier, you can climb with gear and pythons. Progress is saved automatically, some assist options are enabled by the default, and you can rewind time. So if you fall, you can prevent it. On Alpinist, survival is balanced, climb with your gear and pythons, save progress at bivouac sites, and assist options are disabled by the default. On free solo, this is the most dangerous option, most difficult option, let's say. This is for people who already beat the game and are looking for a greater challenge. Survival is balanced, no pythons, no delay, no saves, death is final, assist options are unavailable. I will, for the sake of the demonstration, simply select Explorer. You can next select if you would like to play with tutorial. I will disable the tutorials. Wait for the game to load. Now you can listen to the cutscene or simply skip it. For the sake of the video, I will skip it. You will be spawned inside of the training facility, and of course here you can practice climbing on the climbing walls present here. But of course, if you want to begin your ascent, you can simply start climbing. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.